Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a refill on my client who has Builder Gel. Now this client, she does have really fragile thin nail beds. In my previous video I have mentioned reasons why your client's nails may lift. I'm going to make sure I link that at the end of the video, so please stay tuned and watch till the end. And if you haven't already, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. I am using my coarse nail bit very so slightly because you do not want to put too much pressure on it and get down to the natural nail, because number one, you remove the product, and number two, you will end up touching the client's nail and it does not feel good. I got my coarse nail drill bit off of Amazon and I'm just going to apply light pressure to it, not too much, because once again, this thing is powerful. My client is missing two of her nails. Like I said at the beginning, that her nails are very fragile and they're easy to lift, but I am very proud of her because they lasted longer than I thought. Just like regular gel, Builder Gel does the same thing when it lifts up off the nail if anything is compromised. And if you want to see more videos where I go into more detail about these Builder Gel nail tutorials, you could go ahead and check out my playlist. If you have any questions, do not be afraid to comment them down below, and I will answer y'all as fast as possible. I have this new little technique that I do with the builder gel where I just take the brush and then put the little bit of product where the nail has grown out at and just make sure I ball it up just like that and just swipe down the excess like at the itsy bitsy tip of that ball. So what that's going to do is just build up the nail where it needs to be instead of me having to build up the entire nail and then it gets too bulky. If you haven't already, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have stayed this long in the video, make sure y'all drop a heart for me down in the comments down below. And I thank you guys for coming along with me to do this process. And I'm going to see y'all in my next one. Bye.